welcome to my new YouTube channel, and today we're gonna unbox and review the Procus Urban Bluetooth headphones. So let's get started.
So guys, let's see what all we get inside the box. The headphones itself, the micro USB cable, the 3.5mm aux cable, as these could be used as wired headphones as well, extra cushions which are washable, and a user manual leaflet. So guys, let's start with the build and design. The build of these headphones is really nice. The body is made of plastic and is covered with a rubber material, and the dual tone color gives it a very funky look. Also guys, these are adjustable, lightweight, and the ear cushions are very soft. Also, if I talk about buttons, these are made of plastic and the quality of buttons is just fine. I've got this blue color, but these headphones come in two different color options as well. So guys, overall I really like the build, but the only negative is that these are unfoldable. So in case you want to carry this in your backpack, you'll have to make more space. Now let's come back to buttons. We've got three buttons here. Plus sign. Now with this you can increase the volume or move to the next song. Minus sign. Now with this you can decrease the volume or move to the previous song. The another one is play pause button, which is actually a multi-function button. Now with this you can play pause the songs, or you can answer or reject calls. Now let's talk about technical specification and battery life. It is powered by Bluetooth version 4.1 with up to 10 meters of working distance. Also you'll be able to connect this with two devices at the same time. Also it has built-in rechargeable battery of 300 mAh, and the company claims that it will last for at least 8 hours. And to my surprise, it worked longer than that, and it did last it for about 10 hours. Now let's move to the sound quality. And guys, let me tell you that I was very happy with the sound quality of these headphones. They are very loud and clear, and in fact they're so loud that I've never been able to use this at max volume. And if I talk about the bass is really punchy, but the highs are kind of okay. But according to the price, I found the sound quality to be amazing. Connectivity. It is actually a 2-minute job to connect this with your smartphone. Let me show you how. Switch on the Bluetooth option on your smartphone and turn on the headphones by pressing the play button for about 2 to 3 seconds. Now search the available devices on your smartphone. Once you see the Procus Urban option, click on pair, and that is it. And guys, you'll have no issues with the connectivity within 10 meters of range, and you'll be able to enjoy lossless sound without any interruptions. So guys, let's talk about the price and availability of the headphones. Guys, these will cost you from 1999 to 2299 depending upon the color you pick, and you can easily get this from Amazon India. So guys, as per me, it's a really great product given the price point, and if you guys want to buy this product, you can buy it from Amazon. I'll share the link below. And if you really like my video, give it a like and get subscribed to my YouTube channel and share it with your friends and family. Bye for now.